Hey guys, Jesse here with 6 Speed Media, and today we're going to be installing a kickdown kit on my Holley carburetor because I've got a homemade kit on there. So I'm going to pull that off and I'm going to start installing this, and I'm going to show you how it goes on and how to adjust your kickdown rod. So let's get right into it. Right, first, remove your air cleaner. Got that loose. I'm just going to get this out of the way. Get this, so I'm around here. You see, I've got a little spring on my kickdown lever here, and I've got a little perch made up. What you're going to do is, this isn't going to be like this if you don't have a kickdown rod already installed. This will actually be held back, and there will be a little retainer screw that holds this. You're going to pull that retainer screw out of the side, and that'll let this get free. And then you're going to come in here and install your kit, which I'll show you as soon as I remove my homemade kit. I'll show you how this one goes on. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is the little perch I had made up to hold my spring, and I had this little screw. This is the little contact screw that I'll be replacing, and it'll be replaced with a clip, which, let me go ahead and open this and I'll show you. So, like I was saying, here's the kit. Got it unboxed. You have your 2 screws, your retaining plate, and your bracket. You also have this spring, which I believe is bent. I'm not sure. I will find out when I get it installed. But yeah, I don't think that bend's supposed to be there. Not sure yet. And then you have your little retaining screw. I have my nut already installed on it. That's your lockdown nut. But I'm going to go ahead and get this installed and get that installed, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's in there. Alright guys, I got the kit installed. Here's what it looks like. Got your little perch right here, bolted down. I've got the tabs bent up so the bolts can't back out. And I installed my spring this way. All I did was take it, and I actually just took it and pushed it right through the hole so it locks in place so it can't come back out. And I've got plenty of travel. That's kicked down all the way down, so I've got good travel there. And then I've got my screw with its little piece in place here. It's got this little clip. It just slides over this bracket, and then you put your screw through it. Once I get this adjusted, all I have to do is take this nut and run it down and lock it in place, and that'll keep this screw from backing out or falling out or anything like that. But that screw, to adjust your kick down, what you're going to do is you're going to go wide open throttle, and then you're going to push your kick down and make sure your kick down has no slack in it. So mine actually has no slack in it, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to turn mine in a little bit. And this is something that you can actually adjust a little bit to your liking, but the proper way is to go ahead and screw it in, and you want to make sure you have all the slack out. So when you push your throttle, push your kick down, make sure you don't have any slack. See, now I have a little bit of free play, so I'm actually going to turn it about a half turn back out, or turn it out till it just touches, which is right about where it's at. I'm actually going to turn mine one full turn out because I like mine to engage a little bit quicker. It helps get this big truck moving a little faster. So I'm actually going to do 1/2. Oh, well, probably do it better by hand. And that makes one full turn. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nut and lock it down, and that'll be it for installing your kickdown kit and adjusting your kickdown. So with that said, that's it for this video. Yeah, if you're curious, I'm sitting in the engine bay. Makes it a little easier. I'm small enough to do that. Perks of being little. But any questions, leave it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.